I uploaded one Java PDF to NotebookLM and clicked every tool in the Studio panel, expecting generic summaries, but I got 9 completely different outputs, so let me show you what each one actually looks like. Audio overview, I kept it on deep dive, default length, and typed connect lessons to coding projects, hit generate, and it gave me a 22-minute podcast with 2 AI hosts actually discussing my Java control flow like a real study session. And brief, critique, and debate are there too. Slide deck. I chose presenter slides, default length, asked for a beginner-friendly deck, and the output was clean visual slides with bullet points, not walls of text, while detailed deck is the text-heavy option if you prefer that. Video overview. I picked cinematic, selected Java Basics Explained, and it generated an actual video with storytelling visuals from my PDF, plus explainer for structured breakdowns and short for quick summaries. Mind map. I typed my topic, hit generate, and it built a visual web connecting every concept from my source automatically. For memorization, flashcards on standard count and medium difficulty gave me actual term and definition cards, and quiz with the same settings generated multiple choice questions with answers pulled straight from the PDF. Infographic. I picked landscape, sketchnote style, standard detail, described what I wanted, and it generated a visual summary, and you can switch to kawaii, clay, or anime for a completely different vibe. Data table. I asked it to extract structured info with specific columns and the output with a clean table I could actually copy into my notes. Create report has 8 formats, so I generated a study guide and got short answer questions and a glossary. Briefing doc pulled key quotes, blog post turned my PDF into a readable article, so from one PDF, I got a podcast, slides, a video, a mind map, flashcards, a quiz, an infographic, a data table, and a full report, and every single one was based on my actual source, not generic internet info. So let me know which one you are using, because I am not making flashcards by hand ever again.